Oh, I was just going to show you a few of the things that I have set up for the first day of class. I'm demonstrating to this on a college algebra. So you see what we have. If you look through and you go into the college algebra, when they click on it, the first thing that will always be in my folder is the college algebra calendar. When you click on that, that's linked directly to my Google Calendar. So any changes I make on my Google Calendar will change in here automatically. I don't have to do it twice, which is quite nice. The next thing the students will see is an intro to class, which is what we're doing on day one, and then chapter one, which is how I have my lessons laid out. So when you go into the intro to class, you'll see that I have three things in here. Intro to class is just your basics. When you click on this here, it tells them what we're doing. It asks them to read the syllabus, and then there's a welcome letter they can sign by hand. That's for the parents who don't want to do it electronically. We'll go back here. I also have a scavenger hunt, which I want them to complete on the first day. Then the contact information can also be done electronically instead of doing it by hand, whichever way the parent wants to do it. So when we click on the scavenger hunt, I'm going to show you this here in a preview mode so you can see what the students are doing. I gave them 5 attempts. There's 11 questions on it, and they start their new attempt. When I did this, I have different ways of doing this. The first one is just multiple choice, and I'm seeing if they read their syllabus. Do they know the name of their book? The next one says, how many credits is this worth? How do you navigate around in Schoology? So for me, they have to hit the bulldog to get to the next class. The next one, I want them to know how to actually type in here. So what assignments on September 1st? So they have to go to the calendar and type in what that would be. Let's say it's an accountability check and it's 1.4. And they can type in knowing how to do that. The next one, again, what's due today. So if they're looking on their sidebar on their Schoology, they should be able to tell me exactly what that is. So now they've gone to their calendar, they've gone to their sidebar, they've gone to the syllabus. This is also a syllabus question. If they're responsible for their work, where do they get credit for this course at? Also syllabus. Assignments and link to course material. So it's like, do you know how to get around? Can you find everything? So you should know that your assignments are actually on all three. You can go to the course tab, you can go to the Google Calendar, or you can go to Calendar in Schoology. Your Google Calendar is the best bet for me. Your current grade will always be in PowerSchool. Canvas and Schoology will not have all of it. Can you rework tests? Since this is college level, the answer would have been no. This in here is my last one, which I really like. So here they're going to write down their name, their favorite animal, and why. They're going to take a picture and upload it. So when they go to here, they're going to link with this one, and they can upload their picture. So they could have saved it to their drive or wherever they put it and upload their picture into their thing and then submit this to me. When I was doing this, I forgot to add this here. So I had to go back and redo. So just make sure if you do put a question like this here, these here are automatic. If you want different options, you have to click on them so it comes into Schoology for you. I hope that helped. And that is all I have. Have a great day.